In this video, I'm going to share with you how the Amibroker AFL formula editor can be used to output the open, high, low, and close of specific symbols running in the analysis area. Quickly running through the code. To get into the code, you can either press edit. It'll bring up a window like this. You can start a new file just by pressing on this button and start coding away. So I've gone file name and I've searched for my file path and actual file to write to. It says to open the file using this file name, and W means write. Going down to the if statement, it goes if file handle, which opens this. If that is true, then we run through this code. And basically what it does is it goes through, it puts all of this information into each line. As you can see by the \n, it'll create a new line each time, and it'll run through these symbols specifically, and then it does a for loop, basically running through each symbol one by one. And then what happens is it'll extract the information based on the most recent bar, so bar -1, and return a string value in this format, and it will be symbol open, high, low, and close, and that will be the data. So what happens is this basically runs through, it'll close the file at the end of it, and it will just let me know it's been done. Otherwise there will be an error. Now what happens when I run this is it spits out today's data. So it will be the symbol, the open, high, low, close, and each new line has its own symbol and data there for the most recent candle for the day. So I use this data for my Camarillo levels and my trading on the index markets. It's a handy way to be able to now script and read this information rather than manually typing in each of these pieces of data. Now to run this, you open up a new analysis. I'm already in one now, and I simply hit explore and it'll run through. So it does take a little while for some reason. This isn't the most efficient code, I'm sure. I'm not necessarily a coder or an AFL Amibroker expert, but I found this useful, and because there's not too many YouTube videos that seem very clear and specific on an action such as this, I thought I'd make a video, and I hope it helps you guys too. I'm saving this to the documents folder. I have to follow the exact file path because it's not necessarily the documents folder that I usually use. It's based in the user's file. So it's an important note. If you're having trouble finding the file output, then just make sure you're using the right file path. Basically, once that's complete, it'll disappear. It didn't give me an update, and I just know to go and check the file if I need to, or run the scripts because it should have the right data there. If you enjoyed this video or took something positive from it, please hit the like button below. It lets me know this is helping others. To see more great content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated with the latest.